Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome to the 4 Down Skate Park. 4 Down is a charitable organization that's rooted in skateboarding, and we get into a lot of different things to try to help our community and help young people, but one of the main things we really like to do is to teach and to give people opportunities to learn. So today what we're doing is a Dickies Yours to Make workshop based on concrete. So we have some concrete skate park building experts back here in the slab. So let's go check them out right now and see if we can learn something. So, you know, my partner in this, Mike Crum, is a big-time professional vert skater, so he's stoked. We've got all these ramps, but for me, as a street skater, I'm super stoked that we've got some guys here that are gonna build the perfect concrete ledge, right? So we've got expert builders here. We've got Mr. Jason Schmalley here and Dave Watkins, and they're gonna let you know how to build the perfect concrete ledge today.
All right, so basically, yesterday, car braces out, and this is pretty much what we came up with after we stacked all the cinder blocks. We wrapped our form around, we get some nice extra support so that the ledge itself doesn't blow out. But pretty much the next step is mixing concrete. So we're gonna show you guys a couple different ways to mix concrete. I'll let Jason explain that to you.
One of the easiest ways is just to throw the concrete down close to where we're gonna mix and get some shovels, add some water, and just start shoveling and mixing. We can use a mixer and mix in a bucket and kind of bucket it in. And then also there's this tarp method that we're gonna show you guys how to use, of just throwing it out on the tarp. A couple guys get in the corners and mix it up. So yeah, we'll start doing that and start getting this thing going. Once we had the kids mix up all the concrete, we had to place it in our forms and then add the rebar and get it all set nice and neat and ready to go. So now that we got all our concrete in the forms, we're just going through the process of getting it all finished and letting it dry so we can get a nice smooth finish layer on top. So depending on the weather, the humidity, the temperature, those are all factors with how long it takes the concrete to dry. Also how loose, how wet you mix it and place it. So we got a couple of hours left over here, letting everything dry so we get a nice finish on the concrete. A lot of potential here in this slab. We're going to build some more stuff later on in the future. And yeah, today went great.